Are you tired of creating amazing content for your YouTube channel, only to find that it's not getting the views it deserves? Do you want to learn how to optimize your videos for search engines and get your content in front of more people?
If you've ever wondered how to get your website to rank higher in search engine results and attract more organic traffic, then you're in the right place.
In this video, we'll teach you everything you need to know about optimizing your videos and blogs for search engines,
so you can start getting the views and engagement your content deserves. Don't miss out on this essential knowledge for any content creator on YouTube. Before we dive into the world of SEO, let's talk about why it matters. Suppose you have an amazing website with incredible content and products, but if it's buried on page 10 of search engine results, how will anyone find it? That's where SEO comes to the rescue. By optimizing your website for search engines, you increase your chances of appearing on the first page, where the majority of clicks and organic traffic happen. In other words, SEO is your ticket to being discovered by your target audience and growing your online presence. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the practice of optimizing websites, web pages, and online content to improve their visibility and rankings in search engine results pages, SERPs. The goal of SEO is to attract organic, non-paid traffic from search engines by ensuring that the website or content appears higher in relevant search queries. SEO is the key to unlocking the full potential of your website. It's all about optimizing your online presence to match what search engines are looking for. The higher your website ranks in search engine results, the more visibility and traffic it receives. But here's the thing, search engines like Google and YouTube are constantly evolving, updating their algorithms to deliver the most relevant and valuable content to users. That's where SEO comes in. It's a dynamic and ever-changing field that requires a strategic approach and continuous adaptation to stay ahead of the game. It involves various techniques, such as optimizing keywords, creating high-quality and relevant content, improving website structure and performance, acquiring backlinks, and providing a positive user experience. SEO helps websites and businesses increase their online presence, reach a wider audience, and drive targeted traffic to their web pages. There are three primary types of search engine optimization, SEO. 1.
On-page SEO. On-page SEO refers to the optimization techniques applied directly to a website or web page to improve its visibility in search engine rankings.
It involves optimizing various on-page elements such as meta tags, headings, content, URL structure, keyword usage, internal linking, and image optimization. The focus is on enhancing the relevance and quality of the web page's content for search engines and users. 2. Off-page SEO. Off-page SEO involves activities performed outside of the website to improve its visibility and reputation. It mainly focuses on building backlinks from other reputable websites, as search engines consider backlinks as a signal of the website's authority and relevance. Off-page SEO tactics include link building, social bookmarking, influencer outreach, guest blogging, and social media engagement. The goal is to increase the website's credibility and authority in the eyes of search engines. 3. Technical SEO. Technical SEO involves optimizing the technical aspects of a website to improve its crawling, indexing, and overall performance in search engines. It focuses on factors like website speed, mobile friendliness, URL structure, site architecture, XML sitemaps, canonical tags, structured data, and ensuring proper website indexing by search engines. Technical SEO ensures that search engine crawlers can effectively access and understand the website's content, leading to better search visibility.
These three types of SEO work together to enhance a website's visibility, relevance, and user experience,
ultimately improving its organic search rankings and driving more targeted traffic. So, stay tuned as we go deeper into the world of effective SEO strategies in our upcoming videos. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to subscribe. Smart Data Trends. Ask your queries in comments below. Also, please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.